Good morning, students. Let us start our today's English class with comprehension. Before I tell you something about comprehension passages in your English tests, let us first understand the meaning of this word. So, comprehension means the ability to understand. To understand what? To understand the language, to understand the content which is given to you, so that you can answer the questions which are asked to you based on that particular paragraph. So, comprehension checks your ability to understand the language. But if we want to perform this task effectively, we need to keep a few things in our mind. So, the first thing which you need to keep in your mind before attempting the comprehension is read the heading carefully. If the heading of the comprehension passage is given to you, then read that heading carefully. Reading that heading would give you a little bit idea about the content in that particular paragraph. Second point is, before reading the paragraph, read the given questions twice. Yes, dear students, before reading the passage, we need to read the questions twice. Now, many of you may ask why to read the questions first, why not the paragraph directly? So, the reason is when you read the questions, the idea or the content in that particular paragraph becomes more clear to you. You have already read the heading, you have little bit idea about the content in that paragraph. Now you have read the questions, you become more clear that what kind of content are you going to get in that particular paragraph. Second thing is that it saves your time, because if you start reading the paragraph first, then that is aimless reading, because you don't know why are you reading that paragraph, what kind of questions are asked to you, and what do you need to find out from that paragraph. But if you have read the questions first, then your reading is not aimless, it saves your time, because you already know, you already have an aim that why are you reading the paragraph, what kind of questions do you need to find from that particular paragraph. Now you have more idea about the content after reading the heading and after reading the questions first. You have more idea about the content in that particular paragraph. Then give it a quick reading so that you can scan the important information given in that particular paragraph. And the next important point is that underline the important dates, year, any person's name, any process, or any specific information which you feel is important. It will become easy for you to get back to that particular line if you read that kind of a word in the questions. Otherwise, you will have to find out, you will have to read the whole paragraph again to find out that particular date or year or that specific information. Again, underlining the important information will save your time. Now, fifth point is interpret the meaning of the words which you don't know. This is very important point, because many a time in paragraph there are words of which we don't know the meaning. So in that case, we need to interpret the meaning. Interpret means guess the meaning of that word. Now, how can we make guesses? We need to read the 2-3 lines before and 2-3 lines after that particular word to understand the context in which that word is used. Now, understanding of the context in which that particular word is used will help us to guess the meaning of that word. And the last point is cross check the answers before writing on the answer sheet. So, before writing the answers on your answer sheet, read the question and the answer together to make sure whether you have marked the correct answers, whether you are answering in a right way whatever is asked to you, and another thing, whether you are writing the answers in the same tense as asked in the question. So it is very important to read the question and the answer together before writing it on your answer sheet. So I hope if you follow these tips before attempting your comprehension, then definitely you can do this task very effectively in your tests. Thank you and have a nice day, everyone.